Hello everyone! Creating a Facebook event is very important if you're organizing some concerts, movies, lectures, webinars, you name it. It helps your business growth, but it can also help your page interact with your audience. Also, in the days that are coming, online events can be of the crucial significance. Leads, you can take it from here.
Hello everyone, Leeds here. Let's go straight to creating a Facebook event. Go to your page. Under Create Post, there is Event tab, or you can click on plus in the top right corner of your profile. You can choose between online and in-person one. Be sure that you've already prepared the event name, starting date and time so people could know when to come, and end date and time so they can know when it's finished or when to leave. Location, description, and category are a must, but be ready to prepare them beforehand. As you type in the event, the design will follow your typing. As you can see here, you can track whether your invitees are interested in your event. Remember that people who check the going will not necessarily show up to your party. Be sure to check how it looks on a mobile app and on a computer screen. By clicking on Next tab, you're going to the next step. First, Facebook Live, an event that is clearly happening online. Very good for seminars or podcasts. Next is External Link. If the event is happening on some other platform, profile, or page, be sure that you give out the right link of the event. Other, as it says, it includes clear instructions and details. For the first two mentioned, there are blue tabs, Join Live and Join Event. Now it's time to add design. Be sure that it's recognizable with not too many letters and that it fits within Facebook event dimensions. If you click on Event Settings, you can add some person or page, an example partner, company, or organization, to be the co-host. This is important if you have partners in business or you want to add more values to your event, and thus, greater reach. By showing the guest list, you're letting people know who will show up to the event, which can be a good trigger for others to show up as well. Only admins can post in the event part. Turn this on if you want others to participate, if you want interaction between guests. Remember, the more people are commenting, the more visible will your event be. However, be sure there are no malicious people or the event itself does not increase that kind of behavior. If others can post on your event feed and you have an admin, CM, or spare time, be sure that you approved each comment. By checking the segment Let People Ask You Questions, you're becoming more familiar with your guests, making interactions, and providing more details. The difference between the online and in-person event is location. In-person event has one detail, and that is the map. Type in the right address of the location. If Facebook does not recognize the location, you can easily type the address yourself and move the pin by hand-moving your mouse. Upload your cover photo that corresponds with your event. If there are tickets available, in example you're organizing concerts, shows, or sports games, add a link to the ticket provider or selling checkpoint. Event settings are the same as for the online event. Check again if everything is in the order. If it is, your event is ready, so go on and enjoy it. Your or any other event can be found in Facebook's event shortcut. Well, that's all for me in this video tutorial. See you in the next one.
Thank you, Leads. You've been very helpful.